Confusion after the graduation is quite normal, but decision you need to take with the clarity. There are so many students we come across that because of the parents' pressure, friends' pressure, they take and join in a college, and don't have any awareness about what all the course is suiting for them without knowing the scope of the course. So in this video, I'll be discussing about the best course options available in 2026. So accordingly, you can take your decision smarter. The reality after graduation. Usually students बहुत confused होते हैं after the graduation whether they need to take up the job or they need to opt the further studies. Parents बोलते हैं बहुत जल्दी settle हो जाओ. Even with the peer pressure, you try to choose some college or job also. जो भी है बिना सोच के if they are taking the admission, there then outcomes are different opportunities. They don't know where to step in and what is the focus they are going into. So one plan without any clarity leads to various outcomes. So usually don't randomly decide. Give a thought about what is your career option you are planning and what is your future goal, and accordingly you can decide. Don't just with the stress or from family pressure, you should decide. 2026 ka reality, specialization matters more than the degree. Yeah, you heard it right. Because nowadays companies are looking who are more skilled. What is the skill set? So randomly just don't go and join any degree, good old degree. You just check it out, what all the value added certificates they are providing. So what kind of specialization which will help you and be prepared for this industry environment. Yeah, so specialization which is matters a lot and with so many value-added certificates more than just degree. Next is short-term and skill-based learning. So there are so many courses which is of 6 months, 1 year, which will really enhance your profile, which adds value to your resume and give weightage for that. So you choose those kind of value-added certificate which is of today's demand and which is really helping you to establish your career in that domain. So don't believe in that good old 2-year program I need to complete or 3-year. Go for the short duration skilled program which gives weightage in your resume. So the key is relevance, it is not duration. So high growth options after graduation. Let's talk about MBA. So nowadays, general MBA, there is no value. So you can choose the specialization wisely like business analytics, even if it is marketing, how far the AI and data-driven program which is added in the specialization. So these kind of specialization you can choose. For the students with technical background, MTech or MS, in artificial intelligence, in data science, which will give a global exposure and research-based opportunities. Postgraduate diplomas which are focused on industry demands like digital marketing, finance, supply chain, these are on good demands. Skill-based certificates. Skill-based certificates gives a bigger weightage in your degree and in your resume also. Let me share a simple example. 2 graduates, one who has joined the college without any planning or analyzing what is of today's demand, he also passed out, and another graduate who has done proper planning, analyzed and understand the today's demand and joined the course. After few years, the student, second graduate obviously will end up with the better package and his field of interest job. It is not sure because of the luck. It is purely because of the planning, and this leads to the decision. So after graduation, don't rush into further studies. Take a smarter study. If you're still confused, unable to understand what to opt, don't worry. We are providing your free profile analysis where we will be understanding your interest and suggest the options which is of high demand according to the job market. So I hope this video is really helpful for you to take your decisions. Thank you.